Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I had a company send me this car air pump. It's good for bicycle wheels, your car tires when they're low or if you get a flat. They're also good for if you have airbags on your truck with individual valves. This is great for pumping those up, and that's what I'll use it for. Probably use it for the mountain bike as well. Anyways, let's check this out. All right, folks, let's see what it comes with here. It comes with, let's see, it comes in a nice box. Looks like it's wrapped up really well. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so it comes with some directions. Comes with a little, looks like a Presta valve adapter, like if you have a road bike or something like that, or even a lot of the mountain bikes these days. You'll need a Presta valve adapter that converts it to Schrader, so you can use this pump. It also has a needle for inflating basketballs, footballs, or whatever, and some little attachments here if you want to inflate a raft. It's actually perfect for that. I haven't thought about that, but these are perfect for inflating rafts. I don't know why I haven't thought of that. So let's see here what it looks like. It's got a little it's got a little protective piece of plastic on it. It looks pretty good here. So let's turn it on. Let's see, that's a light. There's your power switch. Let me hold that. Here we go. Can you see that? Battery's charged. That's great. It's set to car. And it has different modes. So I assume it has a plus and a minus. So I'm sure you can set the air that you want it to go to. You know, if I want to set it up, but let's see. So we're going to do PSI. So that must be a limit set on there. And then let's see. It has a little thing here for bicycle. Press it again for basketball. Press it again for car. I'm going to leave it on car. Oh, it has a red light. You can set for flashing. You can have a regular light, red. All right, I'm going to keep that light off. But let's go ahead and see what else is in the box here. We got a cord. This looks pretty nice. Has this nice braided protective cover on it. This just screws into the top like this. Get that screwed down. There you go. Then you have a charging cord. This is a rechargeable. Uses looks like the USB, the new style, and you can plug that in. I always use the adapters from the old iPhones because they're 10 and 12 volt to plug this USB into, and they charge really fast in your wall. So if you can pick those up on eBay or wherever, most of them don't. I don't think the new phones even come with that now, but those work good. It also has this nice bag to keep this in when you're ready to store it. You see if there's anything in the directions that we need to look at here. Oh, look at this. It says you can store this like that. That's how you store it. That's handy. That's cool. Okay. So let's demo this thing and see how it does. I'm gonna set this stuff aside, fold up the tailgate, and then and we're gonna put some air in the airbags. Now what I want to do is I want to check them. Okay, 12.2, 13.4. No, it works great. There we go. Don't want any more than that. I don't have anything heavy in there except for my off-road jack and, you know, some other junk that I take in and out, depending on what I'm hauling. But I'm not hauling a big load right now, so it'll be just fine. Give decent ride quality, traction on the rear wheels, you know. Let's see how this compressor works on a bicycle. Okay, here we go. I got my mountain bike here. Got my Presta valve. I'm going to put the adapter that came with the little tire inflator, cordless tire inflator. I'm going to put that on the Presta valve. I'm going to screw down the compressor hose, holding it about 20 psi. I want to pump this up to about 35. It's going slowly. You wouldn't want to go too fast or you could really hurt the wheel. And you don't want to, bust the bead or overinflate it too fast because it can explode. Okay, we're going to stop there. It's at 30 psi. That should be enough. All right. I'm going to tighten down the top of my Presta valve, and I'm going to put this little valve right there so I can use it. Well, there you go. Okay, folks, there's my review on the tire inflator. It's called the Car Air Pump ATJ8466. Comes with directions, a charging cord, a bag, some little accessories here for inflating things like a basketball, a bicycle pump, or a raft. I can also use this to inflate the airbags on my truck, depending on the load I'm carrying. And it's a really solid piece, and really heavy-duty hose here. It's really nice. This is definitely worth the money. They did a good job with this one. So that's my review. I hope you like it. If you would, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. And I really look for those comments. If you've used one of these or anything like it, comment below and let me know what you think, and maybe some other uses. Maybe you use it for something around the house or whatever on your vehicle. But here you go, and I'm happy with it. So I will see you next time. See ya. And if you would, when you subscribe or when you're clicking around my videos, you notice I do some on the Tundra, the Honda Ridgeline, and the Subaru Legacy or Outback. And, check those out. There might be a video in there that'll help you, do something to your car. And, or maybe it'll give you the courage to do your own modifications on your car. And I'm a real chicken when it comes to that stuff, but I have overcome that fear, and I'm starting to take things apart and do this and do that, and I really enjoy doing it. So be sure and check out all those other videos as well. Thanks, y'all. See ya.